We're here with Northwestern Ford this morning. It's a Friday morning before the big race, the Dorpland MTB, and of course that Gravel Odyssey, 140 kilometers. That I'm going to take you for a quick walk through the dealership, maybe say hi to a couple of friends of mine over the last 5 years, been doing this trip out to the Northern Cape, and some of those riders that have done every single race are here behind me, enjoying a bit of a snack, a bit of a coffee here at Northwestern Ford. So let's catch up with them.
Oh ja.
Want you can climb.
Into the dealership now. What an incredible place to be. Here we go. Yes, Kobus. I'm gonna try and grab him away. Maybe see if I can steal him away. This is Kobus. He's a sales manager here, and as I said, they have just turned 60 years old. Kobus, hoe gaan dit vandag?
Nee, baie lekker en rustig. Lekker vibe hier so by ons vandag. Baie dankie vir julle.
What a lekker partnership after about 5 years of Dorpland, and finally a lekker partnership with a great brand like Ford. Baie dankie. Eerstes. En dan, how did that come about?
Nee, baie dankie. Dis heerlik en ek dink ons gaan dit goed op baie sterk vorentoe vat en vir die volgende 3 of 5 jaar verseker. Ford is daar.
And how are you feeling about tomorrow's race?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited to race that. It's kind of like getting to me that it's not the day of the race yet, so
Maybe a chance of a podium finish?
I'm getting there. Mentally, I'm getting there.
Optimistic?
I'm just getting ready to see my competition. I don't know who it's gonna be, what I'm standing against, but we just wing it.
How are you doing, Jane?
Yeah, I'm good. Looking forward to tomorrow.
And
Yeah, it's warmer than expected. Last year was very cold, but yeah, tomorrow's going to be a fun race.
Baie dankie Sean en ek is bly jy kom ook elke jaar vir jou sit ook 'n travel en dis maar afgeleë hierdie kant toe, maar ek is bly jy doen elke jaar moeite om te kom en dis lekker om jou hier te hê en jy doen 'n awesome job.
thanks, Martha.
Dankie.
Kykie, lekker. Ons verkoop die Ford loop by die self by die deure uit.
Lekker.
So is nie meer so gesukkel om is nou nee, dit gaan goed. Dit gaan baie goed met